Welcome to today's free course on TikTok automation. I have a good understanding of how to generate income online, particularly through TikTok, so let's get started. Why should you consider TikTok automation, and is it right for you? I'm passionate about it because it requires no upfront investment. You can start with $0 and no followers, just as I did. Even beginners can earn thousands of dollars daily after just a few months of content strategy and consistency. Some have even made $6,000 within their first month. Plus, you can do this entirely without showing your face. This approach offers long-term benefits, giving you both financial and time freedom, all while working from anywhere in the world. As you start earning more with TikTok automation, it can lead to financial and time independence. I'll share strategies to help you maximize your time on social media, especially TikTok. The platform offers various monetization methods, such as TikTok Shop, affiliate marketing, selling digital products and merchandise, brand deals, paid promotions, and the TikTok Creativity Program. The key is to grow your brand, which can be monetized over time, turning a single account into a gateway for more online business opportunities. By building these businesses and income streams, you'll see your bank account grow alongside them. This can be done completely anonymously if you prefer. There has never been a better time to start, especially with AI tools that can do most of the work for you. In today's free course, I'll show you how to create TikTok videos in minutes using a simple AI tool that transforms a basic idea into a complete video, complete with a script, background music, subtitles, relevant footage, and even a cloned voiceover. This course will help you master TikTok automation and get started as a beginner. My YouTube channel is your go-to source for 100% free education on building these businesses as your account grows. All I ask in return for the free education is to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so I can continue creating free content like this. Step 1 is choosing your niche and getting started. The most important decision when starting an account is selecting a niche. Whether or not you show your face is up to you, but I recommend choosing something you're knowledgeable about or enjoy discussing. If you're unsure, try productive scrolling, researching different TikTok accounts in various niches to see what's trending and performing well. For example, accounts like Motivational Channel have grown quickly by posting simple motivational videos. Health and nature-related accounts, often created using AI, are also thriving and generating thousands of dollars, as they can incorporate more products and information into their content. As you explore and choose your niche, remember that the possibilities are endless. You can take advantage of these monetization opportunities from anywhere in the world, though some features may only be available in specific countries. You're all set. When setting up your profile, you can use platforms like Ideogram or Zarla to create free logos for your profile picture, helping you brand your account. It's also important to choose a short, catchy username that represents your brand. You want to come across as a professional content creator, not just another spammy account. For example, if you're creating a faceless account for motivational videos, you can use the Business Name Generator website to come up with ideas. Just type in a keyword like motivate, and it will generate catchy names for you. Next, it's time to start creating videos. While I encourage you to film your own content, you don't have to. I'm going to show you how to create faceless videos in minutes using AI. Some people suggest using multiple apps to piece together these AI videos, but I found a single platform, InVideo AI, that can do everything for you. With just one script, you can produce a full video in minutes. I've included the link to this platform in my description box below. After you click the link, create a free account. Then you'll see a box where you can input your prompt. The more detailed your prompt, the better the results. For example, a TikTok video for a trending product in our niche, which is hydrating skin serum. Input a prompt like, create a TikTok video for hydrating skin serum that rejuvenates skin, promotes collagen, and includes vitamin A and vitamin E. After a few minutes, the AI will generate a video. It may ask you a few more questions to refine the video. Once the video is created, you'll want to review and edit the script. AI is a great tool, but you need to be the boss and fine-tune the output. Make sure the script starts with a problem, describes life without the product, introduces the solution, and ends with a call to action. If needed, you can edit the media or add subtitles directly within the platform. This part is really easy. Just click on the media and it will highlight the corresponding script section. You can then use the command box to make any other adjustments, like adding subtitles. If you want to make your video more relevant, you can change the narration to an American voice by simply typing that in and clicking Generate. For a more personalized touch, you can use a voice cloning tool that allows you to add your own voice to the video. Just submit a sample recording of your voice to the InVideo AI platform, and it will clone your voice for use in the video. The final video can be done entirely on your phone using the InVideo AI app. You can start using InVideo AI for free, which allows you to create up to 4 videos each week. If you're serious about content creation and want to remove the watermark, upgrading to the paid plan, which starts at around $20 a month, is a great option. This plan also includes the voice cloning tool, which I believe adds a personal touch and makes the videos less robotic. This approach allows you to start creating content immediately, without having to film anything yourself or show your face. Next, you'll need to post the content and start monetizing. Pair a simple caption with 3 to 4 relevant hashtags in your niche. Incorporating keywords in your captions helps the TikTok algorithm understand your content and target the right audience. You can even use ChatGPT to generate caption ideas. As you post consistently, TikTok's algorithm will begin to recognize your content. While you can use scheduling apps to automate your posts, I recommend uploading directly to TikTok, especially in the beginning, to avoid being flagged as spam. Remember, you can't monetize if you're stealing clips from others. Using non-copyrighted footage from InVideo AI ensures that your content is unique and compliant. Now that you have the tools and knowledge, it's time to get started and stay consistent. As you grow, you'll unlock various monetization opportunities like the TikTok Shop Affiliate Program, which becomes available once you hit 1,000 followers, a milestone you can achieve within a week of consistent, high-quality posting. This journey isn't about getting rich quickly. It's about building something sustainable. Success comes from strategy and consistency, not luck. My YouTube channel has plenty of resources to help you create viral content. For more business inspiration and updates, don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck on your TikTok automation journey, and I'll see you in the next free course.